Hi. Let's learn how to read words with BLE.
Ball, ball, ball.
Blending sounds. BLE sounds like the letters BL.
Ball, ball, ball. RAMBLE. R, a, ra, ra, ram, ramble, ramble, ramble.
Bubble, pebble, edible, nimble, rubble, tumble, visible, stumble, flexible, jumble, gamble, marble, scramble. Sometimes the A is pronounced
A, A, A. ABLE. Able, 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 able.
cable, table, stable, fable. Let's review. What is the sound of GAMBLE? Answer: gamble. What is the sound of FLEXIBLE? Answer: flexible. What is the sound of PEBBLE? Answer: pebble. What is the sound of JUMBLE? Answer: jumble. What is the sound of FABLE? Answer: fable. Practice. Cable, cable, cable. Marble, marble, marble. Table, table, table. There is a cable on the marble table. There is a cable on the marble table. Tumble, tumble, tumble. Stumble, stumble, stumble. Did you tumble and stumble? Did you tumble and stumble? Bubble, bubble, bubble. Visible, visible, visible. The bubble is visible. The bubble is visible. Good job.
Bye!